However, avoid pairing vitamin C with the retinol. They doesn't go hand in hand. Another question is, can I pair vitamin C with other serum? Absolutely yes. Just be mindful of the ingredients I mentioned earlier that you're not supposed to pair with vitamin C. Hi everyone, welcome to Skincare Ingredients 101, your ultimate guide to understanding and using your skincare ingredients effectively. On this series, we are going to dive deeper into skincare ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and azelaic acid. Plus, we will discuss how to pair them, what to avoid, and how to get the best results. This is going to be a series. We will take it one after the other so that it will not be too long. So I will do one ingredient at a time. On this video, we are going to discuss vitamin C. What is vitamin C? Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. It's a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in our skin health. It protects our skin from environmental damage, brightens our skin complexion, and even out our skin tone. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Vitamin C works by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage our skin cells. By reducing oxidation stress, vitamin C helps to prevent premature aging. It also inhibits melanin production, which helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which gives you brighter and more even tone. Now let's talk about how to use vitamin C. The best time to apply vitamin C is in the morning. It doesn't mean we cannot apply it at night, but the best time is in the morning because vitamin C can help to enhance your sunscreen effectiveness by providing additional protection against UV damage. Applying vitamin C before your sunscreen can help it to catch fire, do the job effectively. So that is how you apply it. Just cleanse your face. After cleansing, just add a few drops of vitamin C serum on your face and on your neck. Don't forget your neck. Apply it, allow it, pat it dry to dry into your skin. You can top it up with your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. Next thing is pairing vitamin C with other skincare ingredients. Vitamin C doesn't work with every skincare ingredient, so I'm going to tell you how you can pair it with another skincare ingredient. Vitamin C pairs well with skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate and plump your skin. You can also pair it with vitamin E serum to enhance your antioxidant protection. You can also pair it with ferulic acid to boost your stability and effectiveness. However, avoid pairing vitamin C with the retinol. They doesn't go hand in hand. It can reduce its effectiveness and cause you irritation. Also avoid pairing vitamin C with niacinamide. Don't pair them together because it can neutralize the benefit of vitamin C, make the vitamin C powerless. AHAs and BHAs like lactic and salicylic acid doesn't go well with vitamin C. Alter the pH balance and reduce the effectiveness of vitamin C. Hope you're taking note on the ingredients you should pair with vitamin C and ingredients you shouldn't pair with vitamin C. Write it down somewhere so that you won't forget it easily. So that whenever you want to buy skincare or you already want to use the ones you have at home, you check, what can I pair with this my vitamin C serum? Now let's talk about common questions people ask, like, can I use vitamin C every day? Yes, you can use vitamin C every day, preferably in the morning. You can use at night if you want to. Another question is, can I pair vitamin C with other serum? Absolutely yes. Just be mindful of the ingredients I mentioned earlier that you're not supposed to pair with vitamin C. Another question is, how can I store my vitamin C? Keep it in a cold, dark place. Some vitamin C formulations come with dark opaque bottle. Hope you have seen them, those vitamin C that comes with dark opaque bottle. They do that just to protect the ingredients, to avoid oxidation. So store it in a dark place where the sun will not be directly touching the product. Just remove it from direct light. Quick tip is also patch test your product before you use. Whenever you want to use a new vitamin C from a new company, always patch test at your hands. See how your skin reacts to it. Start with lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin tolerates it. Remember that consistency is key. Don't use today and tomorrow you are nowhere. We say vitamin C is not working for you because you are not serious with it. Skincare is like exercise. The more you do it, the more you see the results. That is it today for vitamin C. Hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. This is going to be a series. Like I told you, I will do other ingredients on this series. So put on your notification button so that whenever I drop the next video, you are going to get notified and you watch it and become educated on skincare ingredients and how to use them. So on the next video, we are going to talk about retinol, almighty retinol. So see you there. Bye bye.